Hello my beautiful friends, let me show you those gorgeous ornaments here on the Christmas cards. Let's paint one, let's paint together. We're gonna start with stamping some basic shape with the toilet paper roll. Would you believe it? You just have to squeeze it a little bit to make this oval-y kind of shape. Then once you have your shape ready, you can fill your oval with the color or with the water, depending whatever you like. I like to play with the pigment with a little bit of different shades of purples and pinks, and I'm focusing my pigment on the sides of the ornaments. As you can tell, a little bit darker on the right, and left there is some white left, a little brighter, so it's like a little bit of a light reflection sort of thing, then even more darker purpley kind of color. It's like a purple or it's like a bluey, kind of dark bluey, but I think overall it works beautifully. And then even darker, rich, gorgeous, like magenta pink on the side and also on the left hand side, so to make my bubble more of a shape, differentiate that and makes this contrast, and it's absolutely gorgeousness. Then a little bit of elements added. I love this play. I love having little things like kind of like a little embellishment on its own on the embellishment already. I love those little bubbles. This is just my imagination of the kind of jewelry style of those ornaments. I think it works magic. I think it looks gorgeousness, especially as you can see on the right, my previous bubbles as well. I just love how it looks like. It's much more festive, I think. Then with the pen, we're doing a little bit of doodles all around the shapes, the small shapes, the bigger one, everywhere. And I'm using my favorite Pilot GTX C4, and if you wish to check the links, please check the links in the description box below this video. This pen is working magic. It works on the wet surface as well and on the dry one, and it doesn't clog, it just writes, and it's perfect. I love it, and you will absolutely love it. I'm using that all the time since last year, and I couldn't find anything better than this one. Then with putting everything together, kind of adding little dots of silver as well. I love how silvery that is, very much shiny, looking gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. You can see the shine here from the marker, and with filling the rest of the card, it's like this little wire with the silver finishes. I love the marker touches. It's a super easy way to add little extra shine to your project, and the marker is just great. Now I'm doing some dots with the glue. Use whatever glue you have. I'm using just a craft glue for adhering the glitter. The glitter that I'm using is from last year, so it's not available for purchase anymore, so I suggest you to use whatever you have at home. And if you can focus on getting eco-friendly glitter, bio glitter, it's the best, because glitter it's really not a friendly option. Here I'm just finishing off by sprinkling the glitter on top of the whole project with the dots, and I'm hoping that some of the glitter will adhere to those little dots. I have also this cute little funnel thing, and it's something that it's just helping me to clear out this glitter, because truth to be told, the glitter is everywhere. During the Christmas season, glitter is everywhere. My beautiful friends, I really hope you liked this one and enjoyed it, and you will try it for yourself. It's my absolute favorite go-to technique for Christmas cards, and I really hope you will try it with yourself, with your friends, maybe your kids, grandkids. Just go for it, just paint. Happy painting!